Good morning, students. This is Sivakrishna from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, DBS Institute of Technology, Kavali. Today I am going to presentation on power transmission system. This is the another part of the first unit. For continuation, in this power transmission system, in this PPT we can discuss about flat belt drive. In power transmission system, it can be processed as flat belts, V belt, rope and chain drives. So in this PPT, I am going to discuss in flat belt drive. So what is a flat belt drive? Introduction. The belts or ropes are used to transmit power from one shaft to another by means of pulley, which rotates at the same speed or at different speed. So I transmit the power in one shaft to the another shaft with the pulley rotates in same speed or different speed is called a flat belt drive. By using this flat belts or ropes are used in the power transmission system. The amount of power transmitted depends upon the following factors: the velocity of the belt, the tension under which the belt is placed on the pulleys, the arc of contact between the belt and the same pulley, the conditions under which the belt is used. So these are the power transmitted depends upon the factors. So it may be noted that the shaft should be properly in line to ensure uniform tension across the belt section. The pulleys should not be too close together in order that the arc of contact on the smaller pulley may be a large pulley as large as possible. The pulley should not be far apart from it cause the belt of weight heavy of the shaft, thus increasing the frictional load on the bearing. A long belt tends to swing from side to side, causing the belt to run out of the pulleys, which is turn develop crooked spots in the belts. The tight side of the belt should be at bottom so that whenever sag is present on the loose side, will increase the arc of contact at the pulleys. In order to obtain good result with the flat belts, the maximum distance between the shaft should not exceed 10 meters and the minimum should not be less than 3.5 meters, the diameter of the large pulley. So next we can discuss about selection of a belt drive. The following are the various important factors upon which the selection of the belt drive depends on: speed of the driving and driven shafts, speed reduction ratio, power to be transmitted, center distance between the shafts, positive drive requirements, shafts layout, space available, and service conditions. So these are all the selections for to select the belt drive. So next, types of belt drives. The belt drives are usually classified into the following three groups. So the groups are light drivers, medium drivers, and heavy drivers. So light drivers means these are used to transmit small powers at belt speed up to about 10 meters per second. As in agricultural machinery, and small machine tools. సో ఈ లైట్ డ్రైవ్స్కి వచ్చేసరికి మన పవర్ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ బెల్ట్ స్పీడ్ వచ్చేసి 10 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. అది వచ్చేసి మనకి అగ్రికల్చరల్ మెకానిక్స్ మీద యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ స్మాల్ మిషన్ టూల్స్కి యూజ్ చేసే డ్రైవర్ని మనం లైట్ డ్రైవర్స్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ మీడియం డ్రైవర్స్. These are used to transmit medium power at belt speed over 10 meter per second but up to 22 meter per second as in machine tools. So in medium power drives వచ్చేసరికి the belt speed means rotate the belt speed is 10 meter per second to 22 meter per second. So it is used in machine tools. Heavy drivers. So these are used to transmit large power at belt speed about 22 meter per second. So it is used for comparators and generators. So heavy drivers వచ్చేసరికి it transmit the large power of the belt speed. So the speed of the belt is above the 22 meter per second. So it is used in comparators and generators. So heavy drives యూజ్ చేసేసరికి comparators and generators మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తారు. So next we can discuss the types of belts. These are many types of belts used these days. The following are important of this subject point of view. So these types of belts are three types. The first one is a flat belt. The second one is V belt and circular belt or rope belt. So we can discuss it one by one. So the first one is a flat belt. The flat belt as shown in the figure, you can see the figure in below, is mostly used in the factories and workshops where a moderate amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are not more than 8 meters apart. So we can see the figure is a flat belt. So the flat belt మనకి ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారంటే ఫ్యాక్టరీస్ అండ్ వర్క్షాప్స్లో ఎక్కువ యూజ్ చేస్తుంటారు. సో ఇట్ కెన్ బి ప్రొడ్యూస్ moderate amount of the power to be transmitted from one pulley to the another pulley. The distance between the two pulleys is 8 meters. So next belt is V belt. The V belt as shown in the figure is mostly used in factories and workshops where a great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to the another when the two pulleys are very near to each other. So we can see the diagram. The shape of the belt is V shape. The V belt is passing through the V shape. So it can be used to the V belt in factories and workshops. So the power is to be transmitted, the greater amount of the power is to be transmitted. The distance between the two pulleys is very nearer to each other. So our distance టూ పుల్లీస్ మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది చాలా తక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ సర్క్యులర్ బెల్ట్ ఆర్ రోప్. ది సర్క్యులర్ బెల్ట్ ఆర్ రోప్ as shown in the figure is mostly used in factories and workshops where a great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to the another when the two pulleys are more than 8 meters apart. So the distance between the two pulleys is 8 meters. This is the circular belt. Next, materials used for belt. So what are the materials used for the belt? The materials used for belts and ropes must be strong, flexible and durable. It must have a high coefficient of friction. The belts according to the material used as classified as follows. The first belt is leather belts. The most important materials of the flat belt is the leather. The best leather belts are made from 1.2 meters to 1.5 meters long strip cut from either side of the backbone of the top grade steed rider. The hair side of the leather is smoother and harder than the flesh side, but the flesh side is stronger. The fibers on the hair side are perpendicular to the surface, while those on the flesh side are interwoven and parallel to the surface. Cotton or fabric belts. Most of the fabric belts are made by folding canvas or cotton duck or three or more layers, depending upon the thickness desired, and stitching together. These belts are woven also into a strip of the desired width and thicknesses. The cotton belts are cheaper and suitable in warm climates, in damp atmospheres, and in exposed positions. Since the cotton belts required little attention, therefore these belts are mostly used in farm machinery, belt conveyor, etc. The next material is rubber belt. The rubber belts are made of layers of fabric with rubber composition and have a thin layer of rubber on the faces. These belts are very flexible but are quickly destroyed if allowed to come into contact with heat, oil or grease. One of the principal advantages of these belts is that they may be easily made endless. These belts are found suitable for sawmills, paper mills, where they are exposed to moisture. Next, fourth material is balata belts. These belts are similar to rubber belts except the balata gum is used to the place of rubber. These belts are acid proof and waterproof, and it is not affected by animal oils or alkalines. The balata belt should not be a temperature above 40 degrees centigrade because at this temperature the balata begins to soften and become sticky. The strength of the balata belts is 25% higher than rubber belts. Working stresses in belts. The ultimate strength of the leather belt varies from 35 to 21 to 35 megapascals, and a factor of safety may be taken as 8 to 10. So the working stress of the belts వచ్చేసరికి the ultimate strength of the leather belt. Ultimate strength means 21 to 35 MPa. The factor of safety is 8 to 10. However, wear life of the belt is more important than actual strength. It has been shown by experience that under average conditions are allowable stresses of 2.8 megapascals or less will be given a reasonable belt life, and allowable stresses of 1.75 megapascals may be expected to give a belt life of about 15 years. So the allowable stress 1.75 megapascals ఉంటే ద బెల్ట్ లైఫ్ అనేది మనకి 15 ఇయర్స్ వరకు లైఫ్ వస్తుంది అనమాట ఆ బెల్ట్. ఓకే, అలౌబుల్ స్ట్రెస్ అనేది మనకి 1.75 మెగాపాస్కల్స్ వస్తాయి. Next, density of the belt materials. So the density of the various belt materials is the following, given in the following table. The material of the belt, mass density kg per meter cube. So the density of the leather is 1000 kg per meter cube. The density of the canvas is 1220 kg per meter cube. In rubber, 1140 kg per meter cube. In balata, 710 kg per meter cube. Single woven belt, 1170 kg per meter cube. Double woven belts, 1250 kg per meter cube. So these are all the material of the belt and the densities of the belt materials. So the belt materials are leather, canvas, rubber, balatas, single woven belts and double woven belts. So these are the belt materials, and mass density of the belt materials is kg per meter cube. So next, what is a belt speed? A little consideration will show that when the speed of the belt increases, the centrifugal force also increases, which tries to pull the belt away from the pulley. This will result in the decrease of the power transmitted of the belt. It has been found that for the efficient transmission of the power, the belt speed is 20 meter per second to 22.5 meter per second may be used. Coefficient of friction between belt and pulleys. The coefficient of friction between the belt and pulley depends upon the following factors: the material of the belt, next the material of the pulley, the slip of belt and speed of the belt. So these are all the coefficient of friction between the belts and pulleys. What are the factors are: material of the belt, material of the pulley, slip of the belt, speed of the belt. So these are all the four factors considered in the coefficient of friction between the belt and pulleys. So according to center of gravity, the coefficient of friction mu for leather belts on cast iron pulley at the point of slip is given the following relation. So mu is equal to 0.54 minus 42.6 by 152.6 plus small v. So what is the v? Where v is equal to speed of the belt in meter per minute. So the following table shows the various coefficient of factors for various materials of the belts and pulleys. So that following table we can given the belt material and pulley materials. So what are they? The belt materials: leather, oak tanned, so cast iron steel. So dry వచ్చేసరికి 0.25, wet 0.2, greasy 0.15. For wooden 0.3, compressed paper 0.33, leather phase 0.38, rubber phase 0.40. So these are the pulley materials of the leather. Next, leather chrome tan. So leather chrome tan material ki మన pulley materials వచ్చేసరికి cast iron of the steel, in dry 0.35, in wet 0.32, in greasy 0.22, in wood 0.4, compressed paper 0.45, leather force 0.48, rubber force 0.50. So next, canvas stitched for the belt material. So pulley materials for cast iron steel. In dry 0.20, in wet 0.15, in grease 0.12, in wood 0.23, compressed paper 0.25, leather force 0.27, in rubber force 0.30. Next belt material is cotton woven. The pulley materials are cast iron steel in dry material 0.22, in wet 0.15, in greasy 0.12, in wood 0.25, in compressed paper 0.28, in leather force 0.27, in rubber force 0.30. In the belt materials in rubber used, in the belt materials in rubber, in cast iron of the steel in dry 0.30, in wet 0.18, greasy is no needed, wood 0.32, compressed paper 0.35, leather phase 0.40, rubber phase 0.42. And finally balata for the belt material, pulley material cast iron steel in dry 0.32, in wet 0.25, in wood 0.35, compressed paper 0.38, leather phase 0.40, rubber phase 0.42. So these are all the various coefficient of friction between the various materials of belts and pulleys. The following table is used in the problems. So next topic is standard belt thicknesses and width. The standard flat belt thickness are 5, 6.5, 8, 10 and 12 mm. So these are all the standard belt thicknesses. The preferred values of the thicknesses are as follows. In 5 mm for normal belt width of 35 to 65 mm. In 6.5 mm for normal belt width of 50 to 140 mm is the preferred value of the thicknesses. 8 millimeters for normal belt width of 90 to 224 mm. Next 10 mm for normal belt width of 125 to 400 mm. And finally 12 mm for normal belt width of 250 to 600 mm. The standard values of normal belt width are in R10 series started from 25 mm up to 65 mm and are in R20 series started from 71 mm up to 60 mm. So the standard values of the normal belt of width in the R10 series వచ్చేసరికి మనకి స్టార్టింగ్ అప్ టు 25 to 63 mm. In R20 series వచ్చేసరికి మనకి 71 meters to millimeters to 600 millimeters. Thus the standard width will be, so these are all the standard width values: 25, 32, 40, 50 mm, 63 mm, 71, 80, 90 mm, 100 mm, 112 mm, 125, 140, 160, 180, 200, 224, 250, 280, 350, 355, 400, 450, 500, 560 and finally 600 mm. So these are all the standard bits of the values in belt width in R10 and R20 series. So next, types of flat belt drives. The power from one pulley to the another may be transmitted by any of the following types of the belts. The first type of the belt is open belt drive. The open belt drive, as shown in the figure, is used with the shaft arrangement parallel to the rotating in same direction. In this case, the driver A pull the belt of one side. So A pulley means lower side, RQ. So we can see the figure also. In open belt, the shafts, so this one is the driver shaft and driven shaft, these are two shafts. So driver means is the large pulley, driven means is a small pulley. The two pulleys arranged in same direction and rotates in same direction. The driver A is the driver B. The driver A pulley of the belt from one side. So this is the driver A. It rotates in clockwise direction. Driver B also rotates in clockwise direction. The belt from one side and lower side means RQ and it delivers into the other side. Other side means upper side. So upper side means LM. Thus the tension of the lower side belt will more than the upper side of the belt. So the tension is lower side of the belt is more than the upper side of the belt. So compare these two belts. So the tension will more than the upper side of the belt. The lower side because more tension. The lower side because more tension. This is called tight side. So the belt because less tension is known as slack side. Yeah, shown in the figure also. So you can see the figure. So driven A and driven B. Sorry, driver capital large pulley is always driver. Small pulley is always driven. Arrange the two pulleys in a horizontal line which is passing, rotates in parallel to the same direction. The two pulleys attached to the form of a rubber. So driven in lower side means RQ and upper side is LM. The lower belt RQ, that means a more strength, more tension, is known as tight side, and driver LM is an upper side, is always less tension. This is slack side. So this is the arrangement of open belt drive. So next type is crossed or twist belt drive. So you can see the figure also. The crossed or twist belt drive as shown in the figure is used with shaft arrangement parallel and rotating in opposite direction. So in open belt drive it has two shafts rotates in same direction, but in this cross belt drive it has also two shafts but rotates in different direction. So driver A rotates in clockwise direction, in driven and a small pulley is rotates in anti-clockwise rotation. In this case, the driver pulley the belt from one side. So driver pulley belt from one side is RQ. So this is the arrow mark shown in the figure. RQ is the one side of the pulley is delivered to the another side. So LM. So this is the crossed twisted belt kabatti. So it will be crossed the belt. So it will rotate in twisting of the belt. So the rotates in RQ to LM. This is the rotation of the direct rotation of the belt belt rotation of the direction. Thus the tension of the belt arc will more than the belt LM. So the tension of the belt RQ is more than the belt LM. So కంపేర్ చేస్తే మన రెండిటికి ద టెన్షన్ ఆర్క్యూకి అంటే మనకి ఎల్ఎం అనేది బెల్ట్ అనేది ఎక్కువ టెన్షన్ అనేది వస్తుంది అనమాట. వై బికాస్ సో ద బెల్ట్ ఆర్క్యూ బికాస్ మోర్ టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ టైట్ సైడ్. సో మోర్ టెన్షన్ మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా వచ్చిందంటే దాన్ని మనం టైట్ సైడ్ అంటాం. ద బెల్ట్ ఎల్ఎం ఈజ్ బికాస్ లెస్ టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ స్లాక్ సైడ్. సో లెస్ టెన్షన్ వచ్చిందంటే దాన్ని మనం slack side అంటాం. సో యాజ్ షోన్ ద ఫిగర్ ఆల్సో a little consideration will show that at a point where the belt crosses it rubber against each other and there will be excessive wear and tear. In order to avoid this, the shaft should be placed at the maximum distance of 20 B. So what is the B? Where B is the width of the belt and the speed of the belt should be less than 15 meter per second. So this is the another type of the crossed belt or twisted belt driver. So next type of the belt is quarter turn belt driver. Quarter turn belt drive. The quarter turn belt drive is also known as right angle belt drive as shown in the figure A. So it will be shown like that a right angle belt drive. It is used with shaft arrangement at right angle and rotates in one definite direction. In order to prevent the belt from leaving of the pulley, the width of the face of the pulley should be greater or equal to 1.4 B, where B is the width of the belt. So we can see the figure. In figure A, quarter turn belt drive. So it has a two shaft. So that first one is a driver and a driven. So driven rotates in anti-clockwise rotation. The driver rotates in cylindrical motion or circular rotation. In this case of the pulley cannot be arranged as shown in the figure A. When the reversible motion is desired, then a quarter turn belt driver with a guide pulley as shown in the figure B is used. So in this figure B, quarter turn belt drive with a guide pulley. So we can arrange this quarter turn belt drive by using the guiding pulley. So it will rotate. In this pulley, the belt is passing through the horizontal direction to vertical direction, to left side to top side. So we can see the arrow marks. The belt rotates in the guiding pulley using the horizontal rotation to vertical rotation. So this is the quarter turn belt pulley. So next type of the belt is belt drive with idler pulley. A belt drive with idle pulley, as also known as jockey pulley drive. Jockey pulley drive. As shown in the figure, you use the shaft arrangements parallel, and when an open belt drive cannot be used due to small angle of contact and a smaller pulley. This type of drive is provided to obtain high velocity ratio and when the required belt tension cannot be obtained by the another means. So we can see the figure. So this figure is looks like a open belt drive, but we can arranging the small drive is ideal pulley. So the two shaft driver and driven will rotate in same direction. So tag slack side and tag side will be also given, but additionally we can adding the ideal pulley. So this will also rotate in the same direction. When it is designed to transmit motion from one shaft to the several shafts, all arranged in parallel. A belt driven with many idle pulleys, as shown in the figure, may be employed. So by using a single pulley, this will arrange in this like. So belt drives with many idle pulleys. So by arranging the idle pulleys are more. So the belt will be rotated in same this like. So these three are driven pulley. So the smaller one, larger one is a driver pulley. So that will passing through the driver pulley to is passed through idle pulleys. They are arranged one four idle pulleys. Arranged in four idle pulleys. These two pulleys are on one distance, and small two pulleys are in another distance. This will passing through the driver pulley to idle pulley, next then passing through driver pulley, driven pulley, next then go to the idle pulley, then passing through the driven pulley, then passing through idle pulley, then go to driven pulley, next pass through the idle pulley, then finally driven pulley. So this will be the arrangement of the belt drive. So this type of belt is also used in the motors. So motor rotates in heavy motors will be rotates by using this type of pulleys. Motor generators are which are used to this type of belt arrangement, we can use it to the idle pulleys. So next type of the belt is compound belt driven. Compound belt drive. A compound belt drive as shown in the figure is used when power is transmitted from one shaft to the another shaft through a number of pulleys. So we can see the figure. So it has two arrangements. So driver pulley and the small one is a driven pulley. So the driven pulley will be attached to the driver pulley and driven pulley. So these are the four pulleys. So driver driven or driver driven. So in this driven, you can arrange it to place it to the driver and driven pulleys in the same angle of contact. So this will rotate in the same direction. This is bottom pipe is the tack side and top is the slack side. So next type of the belt is stepped or cone pulley drive. A stepped or cone pulley drive as shown in the figure is used for changing the speed of the driven shaft when the main or driving shaft runs at a constant speed. This is accomplished by shaft shifting the belt from one part to the steps of the other. So we can see the figures. So this is the stepped or cone pulley drive. So this type of pulleys are used in lathes also, lathe in vehicle sporters also. By changing the gates, the pulleys will be rotates, and changing the different gates, the pulleys will be changing the different gates. So we can see the diagram. It has two arrangements. So top pulley and bottom pulley. So this is the main driving of the shaft. These two are cone pulleys. So always the belt is rotates in driving to driven shaft. So driving shaft means always larger pulley. Driven shaft is always smaller pulley. So why? Because the belt is rotates in constant speed. So by changing the speed, it will be rotates the gear. The belt is a maximum speed, it rotates in both speeds. Next, changing the another gear, the top of the cone pulley is a small pulley and the bottom of the cone is a large pulley. Thus this rotates in high speed. So next type of the belt, fast and loose pulley drive. fast and loose pulley drive. A fast and loose pulley drive, as shown in the figure, is used when the driven or mission shaft is started or stopped whenever desired without interfering with the driving shaft. A pulley which is key to the mission shaft is called fast pulley and runs at the same speed as that of mission shaft. A loose pulley runs freely over the mission shaft and is incapable of transmitting any power. When the driven shaft is required to be stopped, the belt is pushed onto the loose pulley by means of sliding bar having belt props. So we can see the figure. The top of the diagram, top of the figure is driving pulley. This is the line shaft. In the bottom of the figure is a loose pulley. With arrange is a fast pulley. So this one is a mission shaft. So this is a mission shaft. This is the line shaft. It will rotate in high speed by using the fast pulley. This is the loose pulley. It will be changed to and fro motion. So the mission shaft will be changed the to and fro motion. So the first way is a loose pulley. Second one is a fast pulley. The line shaft will rotate in high speed. So these are the types of the flat belt drives used in different machineries. So thank you.